आदल्या तेंपार चलयांक अशा खेळांनी वांटेकार जातली जाल्यार सुविधांचो उणाव आशिल्ल्या कारणान त्रास जाणवताले. मात आतां तशें ना. देखून गोंय सरकारान खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन राष्ट्रीय खेळ सर्तीचें आयोजन केल्लें आसा, अशी तोखणाय राज्यसभेची खासदार आनी आयोएची अध्यक्ष T Usha हांणी केली.
Feeling bad that when it came to Delhi, that when it came to the 100 meters final, nobody was there. And when it came to Maharashtra, things also 100 meters, nobody was there when it came to because they know that it's NADA is there. We should be very strict on it. NADA should be taken because we should not encourage, especially for this thing. Why? Because they are blocking the way of the real talent. So we should do test and we should not allow them to do with this all them because we are having talent here. We should support the talent and we should go on systematically, not that somebody comes so sudden and doing fast and they are blocking the way of place. It's not good. In the national games, it was not in a big way organized. Okay. But I have won 3-4 gold medal and all for my Kerala. Yeah. And then next Asian games had come, that is in my home state only. That time I couldn't do because when I was taking the trial, my leg got injured. But in 2016 or 15, I think Kerala is organized. So my student participated and won the medal. And this is good for players now because every state wants to win their athletes to win, and they are giving lot of incentives also for this. They are giving lot of job opportunities also for the players, and it is good always. So my student also participated and she did very good in 800 meters Kinduluka in 2016. So this is organized in a very nice way. They have tried their maximum, like it's good.